Good morning on this beautiful fall day. This is Deborah Wade, Realtor from RE/MAX Executive. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about stuff. I have done 5 transactions just recently where I helped people figure out what to do with furniture, personal items, jewelry, clothes, and that kind of thing. One of the biggest complaints I hear is they maybe have called estate salespeople to help them, and the estate salespeople say, well, they'll take 40% of this or that, and the owners or sellers have said that they ended up with nothing. Well, that may be true, but what I'm finding is the value in stuff is the sentimentality, and it's in the eye of the beholder, the owner. A lot of big furniture and china, and that is not, it's a very small group that is looking for those kinds of things. But I have found some solutions to how to distribute this, and I'm now adding it as a service to what I do. So if you have questions, want to have a discussion about what you think you might want to do, I'd be glad to help you out. Have a good day. Please click like on the YouTube channel. Thank you.